Hello, yeah, this is James. Kingdom 471, 471, and we will talk about ESC right now. So it's already I have optimized the airship, and this is how it is going. Right now at this level it's a new account, and currently it is lacking this only around 25,000 of this processing parts to make it to level 50. The moment I level it up to 50, then I will have each of its components, each of its abilities will be extended to the next level, from level 4 to level 5 for this reinforced armor. Then for the hull lining, which will give you artillery damage from minus 35% to 44%. So that way again distance damage received will be minus 31% to minus 41.33%. And this one is the most important at this current structure of GOG, Guns of Glory, battlefield treatment. Remember, this is the most important at this current structure of GOG, Guns of Glory, that is battlefield treatment. It will be from 2.63% to 5.25%. As we have currently come up to the stage when GOG after 3 updates. One is gears update, second one is I'm talking about war gear updates to pursuer gears whenever the pursuer gears were being introduced. And the second one is airship updates, and the third one is this guard updates. More or less the structures which guards only providing, the bonuses which guards only providing is huge difference from the earlier one. I'm going to show it to you. This is just a completely new. These guards are just level 50, 55. I have put one purple guard I am having, which is at level 40, which I will be replacing it with a gold guard. So I just kept it for the time being. Now the benefits these are providing: this 525% of infantry health, 460% of this attack, then infantry defense. So this is huge stats. These are the stats which will be obtained only from the appointment of the guards. Apart from these, guards have guard skills. These guard skills, which are just the earlier, as it was before the updates of the guard updates. So now guards are extremely vital, and currently the situation is these are causing much more damage, much more march capacity. Also showing you the march capacity bonus which is guards are providing only. This march capacity 83,901. So just imagine this much per level it goes. For guards per level the bonus raises by 200. So, and these can be extended up to 880, level 80. So level 80 will give you 16,000 per guard. So 16,000 into 80, that is 16,000 into 8, as 8 guards will be 128,000. Okay, 128,000 will be just from the appointment of the guards, 8 guards. That is maxed. One more thing also there is, plus the guard also led with their march cap. The guard I'm talking about, the appointment march capacity is that 1,128,000. That is the bonus, and plus bonus will be the march led by the 2 guards at the max. So that would be, again, if it is 16,000 into 2, that is 32,000. So 128,000 plus 32,000, that would be 160,000 of bonus. So I'm talking about this at the current, after these 3 updates, and if you are a low or medium spender, then these 2 will be very helpful stats to be maxed, as to be enhanced as much as possible. That battlefield treatment 5.25% from this, and I'll show you how much battlefield treatment can be maximized. This is 5.25%. Next level it would be around 8%, 7 to 8%, and then intensity gear calculations will be as well over the percentage provided by the abilities. And the level 4 intensity gear will provide you 30%, and level 5 will provide you 42%. 42% will be added to the abilities percentage, whatever it is. So if it is 5.25% at level 60, then 5.25 plus the calculations will be 30% at this stage, 30% of the 5.25%. So that will not be much more. Also, I don't leave free cards to go. Okay, and now the battlefield treatment comes from these things: development, research. First one is research, and here's it. So development, battlefield treatment, that is for this much total. 10% from this is battlefield treatment 2, number 2, and this is 5%, 15% from this research. Then okay, one more thing, that if you are using this duelist gears and maxed out, then there comes the battlefield treatment. These gears, this is giving you 12%, and this is giving you, these 2 gears only gives you 6%. So 18% from these 2 gears only. So 18% here, and 15% from research. So that is 33%. 33% this way, and this airship can give you whenever it will go up to level 70, I guess 70, no, level 80. The next level will be 80. Yeah. Yeah, it will. I hope it will go level up in 4th. I'm talking about this 4th ability. So it will level up at level 80 years, whenever your abilities will be whenever this level is 60 envelope rank, or here it will be hull rank, will level up to level 80, then it would be around, including gear it would be just below it, including gear it will be just below from 5 to 25% to 7.63%. So that would be around 8%, around just below 8% with level 5 intensity gear. So 33 that way, and then 10%, around 8% that from this gear. So that would be around 41%. And another way you can get this battlefield treatment books. Still not unlocked. Yeah, if you are having this yeah, battlefield treatment of 3% is from Wonder. These are permanent wonders. 3% of battlefield treatments with cannons. And with the seals are providing, just let me check. No, seals are not providing you the battlefield treatment. So 3% is from here. So this 41, around 41% from these two, those three, and 3% from here. So it would be maxed 44%, around 44-45% with intensity gear 4, intensity gear 5. But if you higher your intensity gear on this, then it would be 8%, around 7.63 or something. That is the exact figure I can remember. 7.63, then 50%, around 52, I think, at level 6 intensity gears will give you 50%. So that would be 7.6 and 0.738. That would be around perfectly 8%. Okay, so perfectly 8% will be the total battlefield treatment stats from your airship. So this will be around 44-45% of battlefield treatment can be maximized as of now. And next airship ability to be one more thing that I should mention. If you are playing KVK and you are not a mega leader, if you are playing KVK and you garrison in a building but you are not a mega leader, then you must use these two gears for battlefield treatment: duelist boot and duelist ring, maxed out, and this set. Other 4 gears will be this. This will provide you damage receipt less. This will give you healing speed, and these stats will not be working, but this will give you hospital capacity raised by 15%, and this will give you healing speed. This won't work. This giving you 18% of damage stats, and this again gives you, this boot will give you hospital capacity raised by 30%. So 44 is not possible for everyone, because you should get it down by 3% from the wonder, permanent wonder, that is cannon, assault cannon. So 40 to 41% of battlefield treatment, that is straight if you are having 100,000 of march, or rather then 40,000 of your troops will be completely saved. And remember, this will be the higher tier troops will remain safe. So if your march is having in KVK, if your march is having around 60,000 troops, of 60% of your troops is um, highest tiers. That is, if you are C30, then T10s are the highest tiers. So T10s supposed to be remain unsafe. Those will not die. Those will go to the hospitals, and you can use your healing buffs. So, and the healing cost will be lowered max. So these you can't use boots, as you have to use this that boot, duelist boot, for the battlefield treatment. So try to get all these 6 minus ring and boot whenever you are using, whenever just before the hit of a big hits, to minimize your loss. And one more thing, that is life preserver. This will give you the battlefield treatment life preserver of 30% of the killed troops will be going to the hospital. So 44% plus 30%, so 74% of your troops will go to the hospital until your hospitals are full. So that is why you must and that talent prevails for 30 minutes only. So you can take 1 or 2 KVK hits, not more than that. So you must wear all the 6 gears minus these 2. These 2 will be replaced by duelist next, so that your hospital capacity will be high. And currently GOG is providing the hospital, as they have raised the march capacity, they are giving you 1 million hospital capacity added to your normal hospital capacity. So this will remain, I think, as of now, and this will prevail. And this is just Castles 29, and just watching 85,000. Okay, this is what I'm about this battlefield treatment stat. Now the next 2 stats will be next 2 abilities will be at the current structure. If you are a medium spender and new in the game, then you must maximize these stats. Infantry damage received, and if you are not a mediocre or slow spender, if you are a high spender, then you can maximize this distance damage. And distance are the game changers at the moment. With distance troops, you can wipe the whole infantry wall of 1 million or even more, or 2 million, even more than that. You must have a bigger stats and huge stats difference with compared to the targets. So if you are a big spender, and you are you can spend a lot, then you must prioritize this distance damage. and if you are a low or mediocre spender, then you should prioritize this infantry damage received. And then third one will be, so first one is the battlefield treatment, second one is either, depending upon the spender, either it is distance damage, or it is ductile cell, that is infantry damage received. Third one will be the whatever these three will be first, second and third. Fourth one will be cavalry damage received. Cavalry damage, where it is no, yeah, cavalry damage will be the next one. Then, so distance damage, then cavalry damage, infantry damage received, then cavalry damage, then cavalry damage received. Cavalry damage received. This will be the next. First cavalry damage, then cavalry damage, then cavalry damage received. Cavalry as well on attacking too. Then distance damage received is there. Distance damage received will be the next one. Then, so these two explained. Then troop march speed you can raise. Then infantry damage. Okay. Then infantry damage. Then troop march speed. Okay. And you can hire this one. Some artillery damage. These are just no more use of, because traps are no more. And you can use this one. You prioritize the next one, because for the wolf troop attack. And that is the troop attack to the. This is the troop attack to the Red Guard camps and straits. And then will be troop health into second Red Guard and straight. Then this is troop load, and then you can go for gathering, etc. Gathering and troop load, those abilities. So this is how you should work on your airship, and this is according to me and the way I used to play the game. So that is all about this. Thanks for watching. So have a nice day. Bye-bye.